Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials, your go-to channel for learning how to write strong, effective job application letters that get attention. Today, I'm walking you through a photographer job application letter written by Sophia M. Green. This letter is a perfect example of how to present yourself as a creative professional with the right mix of passion, experience, and professionalism. So whether you're applying for a photography job or any creative role, this video will help you learn how to structure your letter, what kind of tone to use, and what details to include to stand out. Let's take it step by step. Your contact information. We'll begin with the sender's contact information, which appears at the very top of the letter, aligned to the left. Sophia M. Green, 1245 Elmwood Avenue, Rochester, New York, 14620. 585-7439210. sophia.green.photo@gmail.com. This part is very simple but essential. It tells the employer who you are and how they can reach you. Make sure you include your full name, complete address, phone number, and a professional email. A quick tip here. Use an email that sounds professional. Avoid nicknames or numbers that might make it look casual or outdated. Sophia's email is a great example. It's clean and relevant to her profession. The date. Right after the contact details, you include the date the letter was written. June 30th, 2025. Always write the full date, month, day, and year. This helps keep things official and time-stamped, especially if the application process takes several weeks. Recipient's information. Now we move to the employer's contact information, again aligned to the left. Hiring manager, Bright Frame Studios, 88 Lakefront Drive, Suite 210, Buffalo, New York, 14202. Even if you don't know the hiring manager's name, addressing the letter to hiring manager is a perfectly acceptable and respectful option. It shows that you're addressing the correct person or department. If you do know the name, use it. But if not, stick with hiring manager. Subject line. Now here's something many people overlook, but it's very helpful, especially when emailing or submitting letters online. Subject: application for photographer position. This is short, direct, and tells the reader what the letter is about right away. Always include a subject line if your letter will be attached to an email or uploaded online. It makes things easier for the employer to sort through applications. Salutation, the greeting. And now we come to the salutation. Dear hiring manager, this greeting is simple, formal, and polite. Again, if you have the hiring manager's name, you could write Dear Ms. Thompson or Dear Mr. Patel, for example. But Dear hiring manager works just fine when the name is not provided. Always remember to include a comma after the salutation. First paragraph. Introduce yourself and show interest. Now we're getting into the heart of the letter. The first paragraph. Let's read it together. I am writing to express my strong interest in the photographer position at Bright Frame Studios, as advertised. With over 7 years of professional photography experience and a deep passion for visual storytelling, I am confident in my ability to contribute high-quality, creative work to your studio's ongoing success. Let's break this down. The first sentence starts with a clear purpose. I am writing to express my strong interest. This is a professional and straightforward way to begin. It tells the hiring manager exactly why you're writing, without sounding robotic. Next, she introduces her experience and passion. She's got 7 years of experience and a love for visual storytelling. This is a smart move because she's showing both skill and enthusiasm right away. And finally, she mentions what she hopes to bring to the company: high-quality, creative work. She's not just saying she wants the job, she's saying she can contribute to their success. That's a powerful message in any application. Second paragraph. Experience and technical skills. Let's move on to paragraph 2, where she gives more detail about her experience. My background includes portrait, event, and commercial photography, with a particular focus on natural lighting and post-production techniques. I hold a Bachelor of Fine Arts in Photography from the Rochester Institute of Technology and have worked both independently and with agencies on diverse projects, ranging from corporate headshots to editorial fashion shoots. I am proficient in Adobe Creative Suite, especially Lightroom and Photoshop, and have experience managing studio lighting, client communications, and timely delivery of final products. This paragraph is beautifully packed with information. It covers what she does, where she studied, types of projects she's done, and tools she's mastered. In the first sentence, she outlines her specialties: portrait, event, and commercial photography. Then she highlights her style: natural lighting and post-production. That gives the employer a sense of her artistic eye. She then backs up her skills with education. She's got a BFA in photography from a respected school, RIT. Next, she talks about working both independently and with agencies. This shows she's flexible and knows how to manage herself in different work environments. And finally, she lists the tools she knows well: Adobe Creative Suite, especially Lightroom and Photoshop, key tools in photography today. She also mentions studio lighting, client communication, and delivering results on time, all important responsibilities in this field. When you write your second paragraph, this is your chance to shine. Talk about your technical skills, your education, and the types of projects that make you a good fit for the role. Third paragraph. Why this company? Now let's take a look at the third paragraph. This is where Sophia talks about why she wants to work at Bright Frame Studios. What draws me to Bright Frame Studios is your reputation for creative excellence and community-focused projects. I admire your work with local businesses and nonprofit organizations, and I believe my style and technical abilities would complement your existing team. My approach to photography centers on capturing authentic moments and delivering polished professional results that meet client expectations. This paragraph is really important because it shows that Sophia did her research. She's not just applying to any studio. She's applying because she's inspired by Bright Frame Studios' reputation and their work with the community. She also connects her own values and skills with the studio's mission. She mentions that her style and abilities would complement the team. That's a great way of saying, "I'm a good match for your brand." Then she ends the paragraph by describing her photography philosophy. She focuses on capturing real moments and providing polished results. That's a message any creative company would love to hear. When writing your own third paragraph, be sure to mention something specific about the company you're applying to. Show them you care, and that you're applying with intention, not just sending the same letter everywhere. Final paragraph, call to action. Here's Sophia's final paragraph. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how I can contribute to your creative team. Please find my resume and portfolio linked in this application. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. This closing is short and effective. First, she politely says she'd love the chance to talk more. Then, she lets the employer know that her resume and portfolio are included, which is key in creative jobs. Finally, she makes it easy to contact her by saying she's available anytime and includes both phone and email. This is the perfect way to end your letter: professional, direct, and courteous. Closing, sign off. And lastly, the letter ends with, "Sincerely, Sophia M. Green." Sincerely is a classic and professional closing. You can also use best regards or kind regards if you prefer. And always remember to type your full name underneath. And that's it. That's how you write a job application letter for a photographer position, step by step, sentence by sentence. Let's quickly recap. Start with your full contact information. Use a formal greeting like "Dear Hiring Manager." In the body, introduce yourself, describe your experience, and show why you're a great match. Close the letter by asking for an interview and offering your contact details. Sign off politely with your full name. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's also looking for a creative job. We have lots more tutorials on job letters for different careers, from chefs to receptionists to firefighters. Thanks for watching writing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.